So what I'm doing today, guys, as part of the Frugal Family Food collaboration is we're going to do some baked oatmeal. You're not going to see me though, you're going to see a lot of talking hand, you're going to see my bathrobe arms because that is the state of the universe right now. So what we have here to do our 9x13 pan of baked oatmeal is I have some old-fashioned oats, I have 1 cup of melted butter, we're going to use 1 cup of sugar. You can also, if you don't want to use actual white sugar, you could use stevia, although I haven't tried it that way. I have switched out stevia for sugar in various recipes. You might hear the baby making a noise. My 17-year-old is holding the baby for me while I'm trying to film this. We also have, so this is only half a cup. I'm going to use this twice because I can't find my other cup. Okay, and he's now walking the baby for me so we can try to make this happen. I've got 5 eggs. I have some allspice baking powder, some vanilla. This is a big thing of imitation vanilla from Aldi. Almond milk. This recipe is going to be a hodgepodge recipe because how I would like to make this, I don't have everything for. See, usually I would just use regular old milk and I would use cinnamon, but since I don't have those, I'm getting creative with what I have on hand, and I'm going to use almond milk and allspice. And then, let me think, there's one more thing. Oh, the other thing is we need a little salt, so I've got to walk over and get that. Now we're using old-fashioned oats this morning because this is what we have, and I use these a lot, but you can also use instant oats. We just like old-fashioned oats around here. So this is 4 cups. We're going to use a total of 6. And Miss Amelia in her pajamas too is going to pour in the 4. Good. And now we're going to add in 2 more.
Yeah.
Whoop, whoop. Okay, Amelia, here you go. Pour those in. Okay, Miss Amelia, because we're doing all our dry ingredients in this bowl first. There's half a cup of sugar, and I'm going to get half more. There you go, honey. There's the other half a cup.
Yeah.
Next, we're going to do 4 teaspoons of baking powder and then 2 teaspoons of salt. Okay, here's another one. 2. Okay. 3. Dump it in. Dump, dump.
Not 4.
No, that was 3. 4. Yay! Okay. Okay, 1.
Remember, don't get our hair.
I'm not getting our hair, no. They can just see our messy jammies and hands, right? 2. Good. Okay, now, got that. Now we're going to put in our allspice. I'm going to just do this way.
Can I do it?
All done. So now we're putting in 2 teaspoons of allspice. Okay, Amelia. 1.
And I do the next one?
Uh-huh. You are.
So 2.
And then 2. Ta-da! And then tap your little spoon on the side there, sweetie. Go and take this spoon.
Mix.
And we're going to mix it, okay? So Amelia is working on mixing our dry ingredients together. Good job. Keep on mixing those.
And then we're going to do the wet ingredients.
Then we are going to do the wet ingredients. That's right. So keep on mixing. Here, hold your bowl while you're mixing, sweetie. You're standing on a ladder and holding a bowl and mixing. You can do lots of things.
Yeah. I'm a strong girl.
You are a strong girl. Good job.
But I can't carry the giant boxes.
No, we'll let the boys carry giant boxes unless we have to, huh?
Yeah.
That's right. That saves Mommy's neck. This is, here you go, Miss Amelia. That's 1 cup of melted, that's margarine actually. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Yeah.
1. And then we'll do our vanilla. Okay, Miss Amelia. Here you go. It's 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Yeah.
Plop that in. Good. Whoop. 2. Plop. Good job. And then we're gonna
do the milk.
Yeah. Okay, there you go.
And then just saying, I like regular milk and almond milk.
Yes, me too. Okay, so now Mommy's going to do the eggs, okay? So we just put in a cup of almond milk, and now I'm going to put in 5 eggs.
I want to put in 1 egg.
The eggs are pretty messy on the hands, honey, so that's why Mommy is doing these right now. But you can, guess what you get to do?
What?
You can whisk them. You want to go get the whisk?
Whiskey.
Whisk. Okay, and then
Make whiskey.
hold your bowl. Okay, there you go. Here, we might need to scoot your ladder over a little closer. I'll hold this for you for a minute.
I'm a little closer.
Okay, there you go. Oh, I forget you're a lefty. That's fine. Hold your whisk and hold your bowl. Let's see if I can. Hold on here. I'm going to help you a little. You ready? You want me to stop it? Okay, now you try. Yeah, that's good. Good job. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Okay, let Mommy have a turn for a minute. Hold on, almost. I'm doing my mama stir, right? And then you're going to do your Amelia stir. There you go. Good job.
It looks like 2 eyes. Mommy wanted 2 bowls. Mommy when there's 2. Mommy look if they're like that or it looks like
It looks like 2 eyes. Amelia's saying that our 2 bowls look like 2 eyes.
And someone's mixing.
And you're mixing. Okay. I'm working on mixing our dry ingredients some more. She's working on the wet.
That all the wet ingredients.
Yeah, we're only doing 1 pan. Isn't that silly?
Yeah.
Just for maybe breakfast today and tomorrow. Now, my most recent freezer cooking, which isn't out as of the publishing of this video, I did 4 pans of baked oatmeal for the freezer. You can also put this baked oatmeal in the freezer. The recipe will be over on largefamilytable.com. The link for that is going to be in the description below. We are all mixed now. I'm going to spray our pan. Here, Amelia, you want to hold the camera for Mommy? Big thing is don't touch underneath, and you make sure you see Mommy's. Ooh, yeah. But you got to hold it this way. You're going to video Mommy. Let me see if I can help you here, like that. Can you see the pan?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what you want to get. Okay, get the pan. Nice. Here we go. Okay. So, good job, Amelia. So now we have it in our pan. And now we're going to put this in the oven for about 45 minutes.
Why does it have to be in the oven?
It bakes. It bakes kind of like a cookie square.
Oh.
And then you have it in a bowl with some milk on top.
Yep.
So here it goes in the oven. And we'll get our time set. We're out, sweetie. That's why we're using almond milk. So here is a picture of what the nice big pan of baked oatmeal looks like when it came out of the oven after 45 minutes. And now I'm going to put some in a bowl for you. And here's what the square looks like in a bowl. That's how much is left in our pan. And now I'm going to pour some almond milk on top. And obviously, again, you guys use whatever milk you have on hand. Whole milk is really good with this too. This is just what we have left before we get back to the store. So guys, my super frugal baked oatmeal recipe is part of the Frugal Family Food collaboration. You can find more over with Amanda at the Fundamental Home and Tangi, the Caver's Wife. They also have a really fun Facebook group called Frugal Family Food that I highly recommend you all join. Next week is going to be a breakfast special from Stacy Lynn Harris over on her channel. Every Friday in October is another frugal breakfast recipe, and I'm sure they'll have something great coming out for Thanksgiving time too. So be sure to check the description box below for more links and information on their fun group and videos.